Over $400 in sales on the first day? That is crazy. I'm about to reveal how I do product research for my Shopify stores. Now, product research is easier than you might think. Some people use online tools to help them find winning products, and I think that's unnecessary and just a waste of money. What I do to find winning products is much more simpler than that. You see, before you find a winning product, you have to find a very good niche. A niche that will sell a lot. The niche is very important because without a good niche, you won't make any sales at all. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a list of my top niches. So all you have to do is select a niche, and then I'll show you how to find all the winning products you want. Okay, so here are the top niches that I use for my Shopify stores. And I've actually used every single niche on this list, and they all make money. So this is why I'm providing this list for you. The first one on this list is animals. So for example, dogs, cats, bees, sea animals, etc. You can sell pet accessories to pet owners. A lot of people love their pets, so this is a very popular niche. The next one is recyclable and reusable. These are like save the planet type products, so maybe like metal straws, that's good for the environment, or even t-shirts. The next one is fashion and clothing. So obviously fashion and clothing is very popular, and a lot of people want to look stylish all the time, so you can see why this is popular. The next one is yoga, and this is one of my favorite niches. The products are very simple. Mostly you're just selling yoga pants. There's yoga mats, yoga blocks, a bunch of other yoga accessories, so a yoga shop is very nice. The next one on the list is jewelry. Jewelry, I love this niche because it's so profitable. Your product cost is very low, but when you sell it, it has a high profit margin. Next up, we have relationships. That's BFF, boyfriend, girlfriend. This means, it could mean jewelry, it could mean t-shirts, like the couples t-shirts where it says king and queen, or the necklace with the heart and you put them together like two necklaces. So things like that would be great for this type of store. And vegan, also one of my favorites. This is one of my highest profiting niche stores. It's mostly just t-shirts with vegan phrases and vegan images on it, but there are also some other type of products you can sell. Things that will help you cook vegan food, like maybe a type of blender or fruit cutters, things like that. I saw this one watermelon slicer, that's very popular. And now we have Christianity, or any religion really works. Christianity is the most popular religion, that's why I've used it in the past. You could basically sell jewelry and t-shirts with religious designs on it. Next up is health and fitness, which is very popular. You could sell gym equipment or maybe nutrition guides, things like that that relate to the health and fitness category. Last but not least is festivals and raves. And this one is extremely popular. People spend so much money on festivals and raves, hundreds and thousands of dollars. We'll be selling clothes in this type of niche. Okay, so after you select your niche, we're now going to be finding winning products. What we want to do first is go to AliExpress. The first thing you want to do is you want to search for your niche. So for this example, I'm going to search for yoga, because that is the niche that I select. And let's see what comes up. Alright, we have a lot of good products here. Mostly yoga pants, some yoga mats, some yoga blocks. And what we want to do is sort by orders. So now it's going to show you the products that sold the most out of all the products. As you see here, there's 50,000 plus sold, 50,000, 10,000. These are a lot of sales. These are the top winning products for this niche. So my first thought is the price is very nice, $7.99. Looks like free shipping. That's a very good price. The only problem is for this particular product, there's only 2 left of this variant. And that's not very good because we want a product that has a lot of inventory because we don't want to run out of stock. We want products where there's an abundance, and this product does not fit the bill. But since this one only has 2, we have to look for another product. Okay, let's go back and see what else they have. Alright, let me just scroll down a little bit. Let's check out this one. This one looks nice. Let's see if there's enough in stock for us. Okay, the price is really good, $5.79. Let's see if all the variants are in stock. There's green and black. See, small, medium, large. As you see, it says max 10 pieces per shopper. That means that there's a lot of stock left, so you don't have to worry about running out of stock. I'm going to take this product and add it to my store. And there's one right there already. Okay, let's look at the next one. And normally I like to go for products by the same seller. So as you see here, Stone Store right here. So let's take a look at this one. This one's not good because there's only one size and one color. We don't want this. So let's go for another one. This right here is a very good product because there's a lot of colors. There's 5 here, very nice. 3 different sizes for all shapes. And if we scroll down right here, we see it says max 1 piece. That means that there's a lot of inventory. They're not going to run out of stock anytime soon. So this is a very good product to add to my store. And I'm going to go ahead and add this one. This is the site that I created. I offer free shipping for our orders. Just a very simple site here. A little menu here. The logo, some images, a little yoga quote here, find balance on and off the mat, and just a few products here. I only have 8 products on the site, which is good enough for some sales. And a little phrase here, yoga is life, some information about the site, an email subscription, and that's pretty much it. A very simple site. Next up, you're going to want to market your Shopify store, and how I do it is through Instagram. So here, this Instagram I've been working on it for the past couple weeks. I've been building up the followers, posting it every day. Here it is. See a bunch of posts. Looks really nice. After you build a good following on your Instagram, you'll want to create reels that market your store. And I normally offer discounts, 10% off or 20% off. They both work pretty well. I kind of change it back and forth. So here's an example of a reel that I use for my Instagram. Okay, that looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this on Instagram, and I'll wait 24 hours to see how many sales I get. Over $400 in sales on the first day? That is crazy. So as you can see, the first day was very successful. I'm gonna go ahead and double down on this strategy and come up with another reel, but this time instead of 10% off, I'm gonna offer 20% off. And here it is. Okay, that one was a little different. The editing was very different from the first video, and this time I'm offering 20% off instead of 10% off. Let's see how that affects the sales. $479 in sales. So it beat the first day by a little bit. The first day I got $404, so about $75 more. Not bad. The first day I made $404 in sales, and the product costs about $68, and the startup cost for Shopify fees and the domain name purchase is about $50. So at the end of the day, I made about $286 in profit. That's a lot of money. And on the second day, I made $479 in sales. The product cost about $90. And this time, I don't have any costs for the Shopify fees or the domain name because that's only a one-time purchase. And the profit for that day was $389 for the second day. And in total, I made about $676 profit in the first 2 days of opening the shop. That is insane. I have a few more ideas for the shop. I think I'm gonna mess around a little bit, tweak some stuff, and try to scale this up a little more and see what happens.